the HawkEye Volume Indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and execute it on the Now chart. Additionally, traders can refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and execute the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to activate the Allow DLL Imports option from the Comments section, and then click on the Confirm button. When the indicator is executed on the chart, an oscillator window is displayed at the bottom of the chart. The Volume Indicator is a special tool for identifying candlestick movements based on volume and price on the price chart. This oscillator is based on a histogram that is identified by three colors: gray, red, and yellow. The yellow bars correspond to candlesticks where the close of the candlestick is greater than 60% of the range, and the close of the candlestick is higher than its previous high. As we can see here, the close of the candlestick is more than 60% of the high to low and has closed higher than the previous candlestick. The red bars correspond to candlesticks where the close of the candlestick is lower than 40% of the high to low range and the close is lower than the previous low. As we can see, the close of the candlestick is lower than 40% of the previous high to low and has closed lower than the previous candlestick. And finally, the gray bars correspond to candlesticks that do not fall into any of the previous categories and are displayed as gray bars. In the Settings section, under Inputs, there are only a few options available for us. In the first section, you can set the moving average period, which is set to the default value of 50, and by changing this value, the moving average used in the histogram is used and calculated, which changes accordingly. You can select the type of moving average in the second section, which includes 4 modes: simple, exponential, smoothed, and linear weighted. And in the last section, you can set the number of candles for calculating and displaying the histogram, which is set to the default value of 500 candles. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.